All right, GBMC, we have our mini spots filled in. So this is the video to find the winner of our the main for the Jerry Kramer full-size Hall of Fame helmet. So we'll check the time, August 29th at 6:57 p.m. We're going to go over to the raffle, the main, and type live. And we've got August 29th at 6:57 p.m. There's the list of our 18 entries with our mini spots filled in. We're just going to randomize your names, and then whoever is on top after the final roll is our winner. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. There's 12. All right, 12 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Last and final. Here we go. Good luck. It is Matt. Spot 12 is your winner. So, Matt, please get with me to collect your Kramer. There is our verification code, our timestamp once again, August 29th, 6:58 p.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.